Do you feel nervous when you have a job interview in English? Does your heart start to beat fast when you think about what to say? Maybe you worry. What if I forget my words? What if my English isn't good enough? If that sounds like you, don't worry, my friend. You're not alone. Many people all over the world feel the same way, especially when they're trying to get a job in an English-speaking country. But today, I'm here to tell you something important. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to be prepared, confident, and clear. Welcome to Job Interview in English Made Easy Step by Step Tips for Beginners. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's start together. First, let's understand something simple but powerful. A job interview is not a test. It's not an exam where you must give perfect answers. It's a conversation, two people talking to see if you'd be a good fit for each other. The company already liked your resume. That's why they called you. Now they just want to know the person behind it, so don't think they are judging me. Instead, think we're having a friendly conversation. That small change in your thinking will help you relax and sound more natural. Step 1T. Make a great first impression. Your first impression begins before you even speak. When you walk into the room or join an online meeting, people notice your face, your posture, and your smile. If your interview is in person, walk in with a small smile, make eye contact, and say, "Good morning. It's great to meet you. Thank you for having me today." If it's online, check your camera, make sure your background looks neat, and sit in a bright, quiet place. Look into the camera when you speak. That feels like real eye contact. People may forget your exact words, but they'll remember your smile and your calm energy. So start with positivity. Step 20A, be ready for tell me about yourself. Almost every interviewer begins with this question. It's your chance to make a good impression right away. Here's an easy structure you can use. Start with your background. I'm from Dallas and I have experience in customer service. Talk about your experience. For the past 3 years, I worked at a retail company helping customers find what they need and solving their problems. Mention what you enjoy or your skills. I really enjoy helping people and creating a positive experience. End with your goal. Now I'm looking for a job where I can keep growing and continue developing my communication skills. Here's a full example. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Dallas and I have 3 years of experience as a customer service representative. In my last job at ABC, retail, I helped customers solve issues and learned how to handle difficult situations calmly. I enjoy helping people and working in a team. Now I'm looking for a new opportunity where I can use my skills and continue to grow. That's it. Clear, simple, and friendly. Step 3. Practice common interview questions. Let's go over a few of the most common ones and how you can answer them easily. Question 1. What are your strengths? You can say, I'm good at communication. I like helping people and I always stay calm under pressure. Or, I'm very organized and dependable. I make sure my work is done correctly and on time. Question 2A. What are your weaknesses? You don't have to share something big, just something small and real. Then show that you're improving. For me, I sometimes focused too much on small details. But I'm learning to balance quality with speed. Question 3. Why do you want to work here? This question checks if you've done your research. I read about your company and I really admire how you value teamwork and growth. I'd love to be part of a team that supports each other. Question 4A. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Show that you're motivated but realistic. In 5 years, I see myself taking on more responsibilities and growing within the company. Question 5V. Do you have any questions for us? Always say something. Ask 1 or 2 small questions like, what does a typical day look like in this role? Or, how do you measure success for this position? It shows that you're interested and serious. Step 4. Practice your body language. Your body language speaks even when you're silent. Sit up straight, but stay relaxed. Smile when you greet people. Nod gently when they speak to show that you're listening. Avoid crossing your arms. It can look defensive. Keep your hands visible and calm. If it's an online interview, look at the camera when you speak. It feels more personal. And here's a little trick. Before your interview, take 3 slow, deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. This will help calm your nerves and make your voice sound steady. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about staying calm and real. Step 5, what to do when you don't understand a question. Sometimes you might not catch every word the interviewer says. That's okay. Instead of freezing or saying, I don't know, try this. Sorry, could you please repeat that? Or could you explain that a little more, please? This shows good communication skills. Even native speakers ask for clarification sometimes. If you need a moment to think, you can say, that's a good question. Let me think for a second. It gives you time to prepare your answer naturally. Step 60, use clear and simple English. You don't need big or difficult words to sound smart. What matters is clarity. Instead of saying, I utilized communication strategies to enhance productivity, just say, I used good communication to help my team work better. Simple English is strong English. The interviewer wants to understand you easily. Short, clear sentences are your best friend. Step 7, prepare before the big day. Preparation gives you power. The day before your interview, read about the company. Know what they do and what their values are. Prepare your clothes. Dress neatly and professionally. You don't need expensive clothes, just clean and simple ones. Sleep well. A fresh mind will help you speak clearly. Plan your route if you're going in person or test your internet if it's online. Being prepared makes you feel calm and confident. Step 8. Practice every day. Speaking English is like building a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Try practicing your answers in front of a mirror. Record your voice and listen. Notice your pronunciation and speed. You can also practice with a friend or classmate. Ask each other common questions and take turns answering. Even 10 minutes of practice a day will make a big difference. Step 9A, stay positive and polite, even if you had bad experiences in your past jobs. Don't complain in your interview. If they ask why you left your last job, say something positive. I learned a lot from my previous job, but now I'm ready for new challenges. Being polite and respectful always leaves a good impression. Step 100. How to end your interview. When your interview is almost over, smile and say something kind like, thank you so much for your time today. It was great talking with you. I'm really excited about this opportunity. Afterward, send a short thank you email. Dear, thank you for the opportunity to interview for the job title position today. I really enjoyed learning more about your company and the role. I appreciate your time and hope to hear from you soon. Best regards, your name. Oh, this small gesture shows respect and professionalism. Step 11 common mistakes to avoid. Let's review a few common mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. Don't memorize your answers word for word. It sounds robotic. Just remember your key ideas. Don't speak too fast. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't speak negatively about old jobs or coworkers. Don't forget to smile. Don't panic if you make a mistake. Just correct it and keep going. Remember, interviewers care more about your attitude than your grammar. Step 120I. Learn from every interview. Even if you don't get the job, each interview is practice. You learn what to say, how to answer, and how to stay calm. After every interview, ask yourself, what went well? What was hard? What can I improve next time? That's how you get better. Every no is just one step closer to your yes. Step 33, build real confidence. Here's a secret. Interviewers don't expect perfection. They want to meet someone who is honest, motivated, and easy to work with. Your confidence doesn't come from speaking perfect English. It comes from believing in yourself and preparing well. You've already done something brave. Learning another language. That's a big deal. So be proud of yourself. Step 42N, practice with an example. Let's imagine you're applying for an office assistant job in Chicago. Interviewer. Can you tell me about yourself? You! Shut up! My name is Michael, and I have 2 years of experience as an office assistant. I help organize files, schedule meetings, and support the team. I really enjoy working in an organized environment and helping others. Now I'm looking for a place where I can grow and learn more. Interviewer. What are your strengths? You. I'm organized and reliable. I like to make sure everything runs smoothly. Interviewer. Why do you want to work here? You. I've heard great things about your company's culture. I like how you value teamwork and respect. I think I'd be a great fit here. Simple, polite, confident. That's how you do it. Step 15Z. Control your nerves. Everyone feels nervous before an interview. Even native English speakers. Before you go in, take a few deep breaths. Smile. Remind yourself, I've got this. I'm prepared. Your voice might shake a little, and that's okay. What matters is your attitude and effort. Confidence grows with practice. Step 16C, keep improving your English after your interview. Keep learning. Watch English interview videos, read short articles, listen to podcasts, or practice small talk in daily life. You don't have to study for hours. Just a few minutes every day can help. The more you listen and speak, the easier English will feel. Remember, progress comes step by step. Step 170, believe in yourself. You are doing something amazing. You're learning a new language, working toward your goals, and building your future. That takes courage. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different. Even if your English isn't perfect, your kindness, your energy, and your work ethic will stand out. When you sit in that interview chair or turn on your webcam, remember, you are ready. You've practiced. You've learned. You belong there. Final message, my friend, I want to tell you from my heart you can do this. Every small step you've taken, practicing your answers, learning English, believing in yourself, has brought you here. Job interviews in English don't have to be scary. When you speak clearly, smile, and stay calm, people will see your true potential. So walk in with confidence. Speak with honesty. Be yourself. Because at the end of the day, They're not just hiring your words. They're hiring you. You have a story. You have talent. You have courage. Believe in yourself. Take that deep breath and go for it. You are ready. Good luck. And I'm so proud of you.